Question and answer for exercise 3. 1. Did you go sightseeing on your last trip? What was the most interesting place for you? My last tour trip weeks 5 months ago to the city of Medellin by land. I got to know many beautiful places, but without a doubt the most interesting was the opinion style. 2. What is the most unknown food you have eaten during a trip? The most unknown food they have eaten during a trip is the lab. 3. What are the most desired places or tourist attractions in your city? The most desired tourist places in the city of Villavicencio are the natural parks such as the Ocarros in the sidewalk. 4. What places have you made to visit during your trip? On my previous trip to the city of Medellin, I did not wait to visit some well-known parks such as Park Albi in Common 30. 5. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? Enjoy the view of the city by Metrocard. Thanks.